When you hear celebrities and CEOs talk, they often talk about a mentor in their life and how that mentor totally changed their life and how they couldn't have done it without having the guidance and support, the sounding board of that mentor. And you've probably thought to yourself, I need a mentor as well. And you may not have known how to find one, how to invite someone. You may know some really good role models and want to invite them, but something's holding you back from taking that step forward. That's what this course is about. It's about helping you to identify the mentors that can really support you in your life and how you can reach out to them. But then it takes things even further by providing you strategies on what you could do at each meeting so that you could really benefit from a mentoring relationship. It's not just going to be about chit chat and talking to your mentor. There's so much more that you can do with a mentor that will help you move forward in your career, in your life. And that's why I'm excited about this course, and I'm excited about you joining me for this journey that's going to help you develop your mentoring skills. But also I'm going to share some really good strategies, the strategies that I did in my life to become stronger and become more confident and to do things, to move forward, to build a business, to move careers, to create departments, to create projects. There's so much that you could do in life, and there's so much that you need to do. And I believe that having a mentor by your side will help you and push you to that next level. So join me in this course.